Good morning, world. My name is Queered, and welcome back to QUIERDTV. I hope everyone's having a blessed and amazing morning. Today, we're going to be checking out the Los Angeles Lakers versus the Minnesota Timberwolves. If you guys are interested, kick back, relax, because we're going to be interacting to this full gameplay together. Please, also, help me hit 100 subs. We're trying to crack that here on my channel. So if you guys could, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because I would highly appreciate it. So let's hop into it, guys. Let's see. I gotta get my OG position right here so that we can get this all correct. You feel me? We got the mic right here in the cut. Here we are. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's hop right into it.
In the loss for Portland after Anthony Davis got the benefit of a whistle, and it looked like upon further review he never even got
King got it. Let's go. AD pushing the ball now? Okay.
I think it's a gaudy number to
PGC, point guard center.
And a chance for a three-point play for Andrew.
Hey, man, I'm a little disappointed in Andrew Wiggins, man. He said that he was going to be, you know, the best player, but I haven't really heard no noise from him.
Best in the league. They've already got 5 here tonight, looking to get some more.
Good handles. You see the jersey, nigga? You see the jersey, boy? We out here, man. What's wrong with y'all? Respect it. So easy money. Ooh.
Already 3 in the game for LeBron. Wiggins looking for a 3. No.
Good pass. Good pass. Oh my gosh. Don't do him like that, Bron. Ooh.
Over Towns, and he drills it. LeBron gets blocked by Jordan.
Whoa.
Jarrett Culver's got Caldwell Pope to beat.
Nice move. Good pass. Work. Easy. Midi. Yes, sir. Ooh, that was tough. That was tough. Let's go, Alex. Ooh, wee. Don't do him like that, Bron. I'm fucking leaving. LeBron, you in your bag. Ooh, good way to get that to White. Let's go. Let's go.
You said active, and that was the key point because there's been a lot of players that.
Ooh, nice cut. Come on, Danny, you got to be on that.
I would bet that most of them have been back to.
He's gonna get chewed up for that. Gotta be on that. Good shit, Dwight.
List is not as long as you would think either. I think it's in the 30s.
Pulling. Whoa.
Is the question of what Frank Vogel's going to do as an AD.
Work that man. Let's go, Anthony Davis.
Incredible.
Word.
It's like they're trying to put a Kogi on LeBron and
good shit.
For the alley-oop dunk. D up on LeBron.
Look at that little body. Easy. Easy money. Nice pass. Good way to find him. Caruso from the top? Oh, okay. Oh, AD got it back. Let's go, man. Danny from the... Danny! All greens. She talking about, good move. Call that ref, where you at?
Able to defend LeBron, but he's not big enough to cut down the vision, Dave, and that's the thing. If you don't cut down vision,
LeBron.
he just is able to see everything.
Better shooter, and if they both have their strengths that make them such
good move.
Players. And aids it away.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
That was a 4-point shot.
ridiculous.
Boy, the damn chair didn't turn. Oh, Lord, not the three. Oh, man.
While if that was baseball,
Oh.
it would have been in the dirt. And Josh Okogie did a great
Good
job of picking that
pass.
one up.
Good pass. Whoa. Good find. Let's go, Vaa'e. Good shit. Let's go, boys. Man, we out here hoping. Pulling. Rainbow. Good defense. Let's go. Good pass. Good pass. Ooh.
You don't like to see guys have to go through injuries like that.
Carl shooting?
Okay,
Okay, Carl.
point shooting ranks ahead of Anthony Peeler. Anthony Davis there for the putback dunk.
Good shit. Let's go. We up.
Again, LeBron James being off the floor has helped things, but Anthony Davis, I really think he can play the power forward.
AD is eating fucking Carl alive. Whoa,
With Wayne trying to end a 3-game losing skid.
let's go. Ooh, good cut, Coos.
Question Anthony Davis can shoot over the top. You got to bring somebody
Ooh,
big.
tough.
Wow.
Ooh.
Davis. In case you're wondering, the career high for Anthony Davis.
Look at that little. That's a mismatch. Easy.
Off the hook, because nobody won the jackpot that night
Easy.
for big points.
Ooh, good find. Good find.
Josh,
3 of the game.
LeBron,
Tough. Tough.
6 now in the game.
Let's
for
go.
Flexer again. She's awesome.
Danny?
That is very
Boy,
true.
we hot.
Lakers right now.
Ooh.
20th and is the next time they lose.
Boy, all I'm hearing is net out there.
At Miami's a potential.
And you circle the game at Milwaukee.
Easy. Oh my gosh.
Got to give the Lakers credit for the way they defend Karl Anthony Towns. Towns just needs to have more around him.
Good shit, Carl. I feel so bad for him, man.
Towns 19 points.
He's on a horrible team, man. He has so much fucking potential, man. So much fucking potential, man. Horrible ass team.
Our expectations.
Pulling.
That has not happened in quite a while.
Oh my.
I really like what Kate is doing too.
Ooh. Coos from the. Whoa, the.
To 142. Ryan Saunders and Frank Vogel
Ooh-wee. So it look like it's 142 to 125, guys. Man, the Lakers, boy, we are something to fucking play with, man. It's our year. Get it through your head. We ain't going nowhere. Shit's getting real. We're going to beat every team. We're going to be in here for the next ones. The best games, I'm going to have Milwaukee versus the Lakers and the Lakers versus Miami Heat. Those are going to be the top games, guys, and I am going to have them on my page. If you guys are interested, go ahead and help me hit 100 subs, and we're going to be back in this thing. With that being said, my name is Queered, and I'm out of here.